Hey, I'm Jordan Carfano. I'm a chef from New York City. Today we're going to be making an oil-based potato salad. For this recipe, I like to use a mix of different varieties of potatoes. We're going to use a little bit of standard russets. I have some baby potatoes. I have some baby red potatoes. I have purple potatoes. We're going to wash all these, cut them into 1-inch slices. We want to get all these uniform again because they'll cook differently. So first half the potatoes, after they're washed, 1-inch slices down the line, all of them. And if some of them are a little big, you could hit them in half and then in a quarter again, then do the 1-inch slices. Just get them all to be same size. Get them in a pot of salted water, simmer until fork tender. While the potatoes are simmering, we're going to start off making the dressing for the salad. Start off with 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar, 3/4 of a cup of olive oil, extra virgin. Works best, but if you like it, or if you like your salads very on the vinegar side, add more vinegar. It's about 3/4 cup. We could salt and pepper now a little bit, but again, we'll do it later when the potatoes are in, just to make sure they're all seasoned up. A little bit of that. For this recipe, I like to use celery and onion small dice, but I like to give them a quick sweat in the pan. Heat up a large skillet, medium heat. Little extra virgin olive oil, probably about 2 tablespoons, and give them a quick saute. So now that our potatoes are done, we're going to add them to our dressing we made earlier. We're going to fold them gently as we can. We don't want to break them. Again, if a few break, that's fine, but don't want to make mashed potatoes out of that. I'm going to take the onion and celery we sauteed before, mix that in. Nice colors you got. Now, we're going to finish it off with fresh dill and chopped chives. I would do like about 1/4 cup of chopped chives. Add that fresh dill. We're going to salt and pepper it once more to taste. Make sure everything's got a nice, even coat. 3 generous pinches. Fresh cracked black pepper. Fold it once more, not too much. If you have extra chives laying around, cut them long ways into about 2-inch strips. Scatter them here and there. It'll give it a nice finish on top. And there you have it. Oil-based potato salad. Thank you for watching.